Okay, let's finish off exercise 4, number 2. By the way, if you, in case you forgot, we're using this textbook. Exercise 4, number 2. A school buys a new bus for 450k. The governing body decides that they will replace the bus in 10 years' time. Use the reducing balance. Reducing balance is the formula before I go any further. Yeah, it's the same with the one we used on 1.1. And then annual depreciation if the expected book value. Okay, the word book value, it is the cost. It is the same thing as scrap value actually. Yeah, it is the value of this bus after that years, after that certain period, in 10 years time. If it is given by that 125, okay, sharp. Okay, let's do it. A after that, like, it is given by 125, 325.44. Yeah, it is after it has been depreciated. This is book value or a scrap value. Or there's a difference in these terms, I don't know. Okay, then P equals to 450. But just know because the book value has something to do with depreciation, 450k. And then I think that's what you are calculating, the rate. Yeah, the depreciation rate. And then N for how long? 10 years. 10 years. So we have 125 for A. 325 equals to P. 450, 1, 2, 3. 1 minus, we don't have I. And we have as 10. Then let's try to make I the subject. Divide both sides by 450. You have 1 5 over 450. Then just write this. But yeah, let's cancel. So on the left, can we simplify the left? Let's see. But if it 125, 325, if it doesn't give a rational number, no, we don't take. 150, yeah, it is a rational. So this is 557 over 10. Okay. Let's cancel out here. Let's raise both sides to the exponent of 1 over 10. These are the laws of exponent. You can go and revise your laws of exponent in case you forgot them. So 1 minus I 10. It looks nice. Then you cancel. So we have 1 minus I 557 over 2. Okay. 1 over 10. I is negative this side. If it comes on the left, it will be positive, right? You still will have 1 as positive. Then take this thing to the other side. It is positive, becomes negative. This is 1, is still positive, right? And then this guy is positive. It comes the left as negative. 557 over 2000 to the 1 over 10. I was negative on the left, it came to the right as positive. This thing here, it was positive on the left, it came to the right as negative, and 1 remained positive because it remains on the right hand side. Therefore, I equals to, if it's less than 0, we multiply 100, but if it's more than 0, we don't. Hey. Wait for each other in history. So it's 0.12, then multiply 100. I is 12%. Then what the 2.2. Determine the rate of inflation or now it's inflating. Which method are we using? The inflation. We still using the reducing balance method. The inflation, we are using the compound. not the reduced balance. Reduced balance is for depreciation, so it's the vice versa of that reducing balance. Hey, someone will say I memorize. Not in memorize, bro. That's how you calculate inflation when you're dealing with compound. Okay, now determine the rate of inflation. The cost of replacement the bus 10 years time is later on the bus will be costing that amount. Is it 97 or memorize it? 971516 971516. Yes, 0.56, right? 97. Oh, 0.25, but almost. Okay, pretty. Oh, remember, before inflated, it was costing 450k. And then is that what we're calculating? Oh, the rate of inflation, you are calculating I. Then N, I think it's still the same, yes. In 10 years time. 10 years. Okay, let's do it. For A, put 971,516.25. For P, you put 450 and 331 plus I, and it is 10. Divide both sides by 450, you get 971,516.25. Yeah, I'm too fast. I'm probably making mistakes here. 971,516.25. 975. Okay. Then 1 plus I to the 10. Raise both sides with the exponent of 1 over 10. For 50k. I know, we're meant for each other, and it's true. If the work will come over, yeah. Raise both sides the exponent 1 over 10. This side will cancel and will remain with 1 plus I. And then, hey, don't press your calculator yet. 971. I know it looks scary, but don't press your calculator. 51, 2, 3, 1 over 10. And then this is, you just subtract 1 from this, so you have 9, 7. So if we get a number less than 0, we multiply by 100. If we get a number more than at least 1 or like equals to 1 or greater than 1, then we find, we check it that way it is. Hey, yeah. There's a calculator. 971,516.25 over 450 1, 2, 3. Answer the exponent of 1 over 10 minus 1. 0.08, so it's less than, multiply by 100. So therefore, you can cancel out these lines. Therefore, I equals to 8%. So the last one, 2.3. It's 2.3. 2.3. Calculate the future value required in the sinking fund to pay for the replacement of the bus. Assume that the current bus will be traded for new. No, we don't have to assume. I think they said the government would decide that they will replace it. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. The future value required. Should I also write R? Required equals to the cost after inflation, or the inflated cost of the new machine, new cost, minus the scrap value or the book value. You get it? Yeah. So this equals to the new machine will, after those years, it will be costing how much after determine the inflation. This is the inflation, 971516. 971516 point whatever minus 0.25, and the current bus was 400. The depreciation, the book value of that bus will be 125,325,44. Hey. 125,325, 125,325, 125,325, yes, that's 25 here. Yes. Then what you do here, you press down your calculator. And on your calculator, 971,516,25 minus 125,325.44. You get 846,190.81 cents. Thanks. Yeah, on the next video, let's do exercise 5. Which page is exercise 5? Let's do on page 74.